If your salary doubled tomorrow, you'd still feel broke. That's the problem. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a system problem. You've probably heard of the 50-30-20 rule. Needs, wants, savings. It sounds simple, but it doesn't work. Because real life doesn't follow rules. You get paid, and for a moment, it feels good. Then slowly, money starts leaving. Food, bills, subscriptions, random spending. And by the end of the month, you're back to zero. Again. You don't know what you saved, you don't know what you spent, you just feel stuck. So instead of trying harder, fix the system. Use 4 bank accounts, not 1, 4. First, your income account. Your all income comes here. And you don't touch it, no spending from here. You only move money out of it to other accounts. Second, your needs account, about 50% of your income. Rent, food, bills, etc. Third, your wants account, 30%. This is where you enjoy your life without guilt. Parties, shopping, holidays, or all other lifestyle upgrades. And the most important, your future account, 20%, locked until a serious emergency. Savings, investments, building real wealth. Now here's what most people miss. If all your money sits in one account, you will always overspend. Not because you're careless, but because your brain sees everything as available. That's the trap. But when money is separated, your behavior changes automatically. You spend less, you save more, without thinking. This is how real money management works. Not by trying harder, but by making it automatic. And suddenly, the 50-30-20 rule actually works. Because now, it's not a rule, it's a system. And systems change everything.